every monster knows how the plants grow, and every monster cares, and they know how they shade, and they feed them, and they keep them alive. Let's watch plants grow. Let's watch plants grow. Everything here is alive. Everything here is alive. A note becomes a chord, becomes a phrase, becomes a melody, and a note becomes a monster. You plant a seed, it settles in, and then it bursts, and then it splits and makes a twin. Then there are more. Look across the landscape, and you'll find it's just a bunch of plants.
Everything here is alive. They sleep when it gets cold, and the leaves turn. They turn red and they turn gold. They need sunlight and water and earth and the air to keep them alive. That's how plants grow. That's how plants grow. You plant a seed, it settles in, and then it bursts, and then it splits and makes a twin. Then there were more. Look across the landscape, and you'll find it's just a bunch of plants, 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 plants.